Good afternoon, John here. I'm re-oiling one of the boxes. I made some of these. Another one I made for my wife. I did the bridle joint on the lid. I didn't do the bridle joint on this one. I think I must have doweled it, but I did the hand dovetail, and on hers I think I made a big dovetail. Hers is out of white oak. This one's cherry and walnut with apple hand carved handles. It's kind of a James Krenov. He was kind of one of my I guess you could say I don't know, mentors or whatever, or what do you call it when you admire their work? He inspired me. James Krenov and Sam Moloff was another one that always inspired me, but I never made any rockers like Sam Moloff had. Well, in fact, here there's one in my man cave. It's a Sam Moloff. I'll show it to you. They're worth thousands of dollars if you've got one. Right there. That's the classic Sam Moloff rocker. In fact, he has pieces that are in the White House. He did some incredible work. He used to freehand with a bandsaw that used to just scare the crap out of me. But yeah, that's the Moloff. I think that's how you pronounce it, Moloff or Moloff rocker. But anyhow, back to my little box here. I'm putting a hand rubbed oil finish on it. This was getting kind of dusty. Needed a little refinishing here, but I didn't do the best on the mortise here on the key latch. I got a little wild with the little wider. I thought it was a wider latch. I don't know if I didn't have the latch or how that happened, but and then I just made a little pull-out shelf with interchangeable compartments there, and I gotta finish my. I was gonna do that too. I'm gonna dress up my JK. But yeah, these are just slats that I made, like a little tongue and a groove. I think I got a groove on both sides, and then these have both got tongues. I just kind of hand made those, or made them on the. I don't know if I made them on the router or the table saw. But I kind of wished I would have made a bridle joint on this one. But yeah, just kind of a little box. But alrighty, you have a good one. God bless.